Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss trigonometric identities. In NCERT book, exercise 4 under 8 deals with trigonometric identities. For doing the sums, we have to establish some formula. Before prove the formula, let us write down what we are going to prove. We are going to prove here sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Let us draw the figure. Triangle ABC, obviously it's right angle triangle. We consider angle C as theta. Therefore, as we previously know that if we consider this angle theta, so this is our base, that is BC our base, and AB is perpendicular, and obviously AC hypotenuse. Now according to Pythagoras law, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, that is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, dividing both sides by AC square. We have AC square by AC square plus BC square by AC square implies 1. AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. AB by AC means perpendicular by hypotenuse, and perpendicular by hypotenuse means sin theta square. BC by AC means base by hypotenuse, that is cos theta whole square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Remember, we always should write sin square theta plus cos square theta, not like sin square theta square, cos square theta square. You should always write sin square theta plus cos square theta. Thus, we established the first formula sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now when we apply this formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta in a particular sum, it is not that we will get this form sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We can change this formula in different way. Plus, if sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or sin theta equal to root 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, if sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, you also can write cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, or cos theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So we have to change this formula according to our need. In order to prove the next formula, let us draw the same figure once again. This is theta, so this is the base and this is the perpendicular, obviously hypotenuse. Now according to the Pythagoras law, we know AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. For the first proof, we divide both sides by AC square, and for the next formula we divide both sides by BC square. So dividing both sides by BC square, we get AC square by BC square, AB square plus BC square by BC square, which implies AC by BC whole square, AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square. So AC by BC means hypotenuse by base whole square. Hypotenuse by base means sec theta. So sec theta whole square. And AB by BC means perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base means tan theta. So tan theta whole square. Sec square theta equals to tan square theta plus 1. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Thus we got the second formula. Let us discuss other forms of the second formula. We have sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta, or sec theta equal to root over 1 plus tan square theta. Again, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So minus tan square theta equals to 1 minus sec square theta. Multiplying both sides by negative sign, we get tan square theta minus 1 plus sec square theta. So tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1, or tan theta equals to root over sec square theta minus 1. Why I am writing the other form of the basic formula? Because this is the actual basic formula, but when you do the sum, when we apply this formula in the sum, you have to use all the formulas, all the forms of the formula. Our next formula is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. I am not going to prove this formula. You just yourself do the same by drawing the same diagram, but you have to divide by different side. For the first formula, we divide. For the first formula, look carefully. For proving the first formula, we divide both sides by AC square. And for proving the second formula, we divide both sides by BC square. So in order to prove the third formula, you just only divide both sides by AB square. You will get this formula. So it's your home task. In the next video, I will solve exercise 4 under 8 one by one. Or before going to the next exercise, one important tip, all of you, that you should memorize all the formula very carefully. Not only memorize, if you want to understand the formula very carefully, then you should write the formula. You should establish the formula by your own hand. If you do this at least twice or thrice, nothing is difficult. Trigonometry is very easier. You can do this very well if you obey my suggestion. So wait for the next video. All the best.